In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your identity in Google AdSense. This essential process ensures your account is secure and that you meet all compliance regulations for using AdSense to monetize your content. Let's walk through the steps together and make sure you're all set to verify your identity smoothly. First, you'll want to gather the necessary documents. This is an important step because having the correct information on hand will make the process quicker and more efficient. Typically, you'll need a government-issued ID. This can be a driver's license, passport, or a national ID card. Make sure whatever form of identification you choose is still valid and not expired. If the address on your document doesn't match the one associated with your AdSense account, you'll need to submit additional proof. This could be a bank statement, a utility bill, or even a rent receipt, anything that verifies your address and matches your AdSense information. Now, you'll need to access the verification section within AdSense. Simply log in to your Google AdSense account using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate over to the Payments section. In this area, locate either the verification or identity verification section, as that's where you're going to upload your documents. With your documents ready, it's time to submit them. Carefully follow the prompts on the screen to upload a clear, readable photo of your ID. It's crucial that the image is sharp enough to read all the details easily, as illegible photos could delay your verification process. If you're required to verify your address, you'll need to upload the relevant supporting document. As with your ID, make sure that the document is legible and that all information is up to date and accurate. Always double check that every piece of information matches what is on your AdSense account to avoid any unnecessary delays. After you've submitted everything, your role is mostly done for now. AdSense will take it from here and review the documents you provided. This can take a few days, so be patient. Keep an eye on your email for any correspondence regarding the status of your verification. They'll notify you if anything further is required or whether your application has been approved. Once everything is verified successfully, you'll be cleared to continue using AdSense with the reassurance that your payments and account access are secure. Having gone through these straightforward steps, you're now able to focus on what you do best, creating great content and enjoying the benefits of AdSense. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides on managing your online accounts efficiently.